What's this?
Excel.
This is dollar.
Are you kidding me?
This is dollar.
Excel.
This is dollar. This is hard currency. This is dollar.
Excel. How did this get here?
Do I know? What? This is a huge amount of money.
Are you seriously kidding me? This is a lot of money, oh.
You know what? We need to keep this money.
Keep it?
Yes, we need to keep this money now.
Excel, we can't do that.
Why?
It's not our money.
Even if it's not your money, guy, we're suffering here. Look at the kind of work we're doing. Let's keep this money now. Later we can share the money.
But that doesn't mean that we will now take what is not ours.
See, at this point, we have to take what is not ours because this is hard currency. Let's keep this money. Later we can share it.
Excel, it is wrong. We should find out who owns this money. Who knows? Maybe it's even our boss that owns this money. After all, this is his job site.
There's no way our boss will forget money inside sand. This money is from the truck that dropped this sand. Probably all these white people, all these British people, they forgot this money.
You have a point.
Let's see what's going to happen. Let's just share this money now. There's no point in spending much time.
You think we should keep this money?
They're still asking plenty of questions. Let's just keep this money.
I think we should take this money. Maybe tell our boss about this, or even go to the police.
So what if we tell our boss about this money? It happens to be that it's not his money. What do we now do? I said this is how God wants to elevate us from poverty.
I still don't feel comfortable with keeping this money.
We just keep this money and go back to work, eh? Keep this money first and go.
Boss is coming.
Hide the money. Hide it. Then if you confirm that the money is not.
Excuse me.
Sir.
What is going on here? Why are you people not working?
Sorry, sir.
We're working.
Sorry, we just
working?
Yes, sir. We're working.
Yes, sir.
Are you sure? And you people have not even done anything since you came. You people have been here listening about what's going on.
Let's go back to work, sir. We are sorry.
Sir.
Yeah.
There's something I want to tell you.
What is it?
Can we go back to work?
What is it?
It's nothing, sir. It's nothing.
Yes, sir. It's nothing. Let's go back to work.
Are you sure?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir.
What is it? You keep calling sir. What is it that you want to tell me?
I'm sorry, sir, but I have to tell you this.
What is it?
We found money when we were scooping this sand. We found this dollar. It was inside the sand.
Oh, really?
Yes, and we don't know how we got there. There's more. There's more. He has some with him.
Oh, really?
Yes, sir.
You found it inside the sand?
Inside the sand, yeah.
No, this is not my money.
Oh, sir, it's not your money.
No, it's not.
It's not your money, sir.
At all. I never kept money inside there.
I told you.
You see?
I don't know where you people got it. Wherever I got it from, return it back. It's not my money, yeah?
Oh, sir, don't worry.
It's okay.
Thank you,
It's not
sir.
my money.
Okay, sir.
Get back to work. Get back to work. There's no time, eh?
Sir, please, sir, I don't think I still want to continue working. I'm already tired, sir. I need to go right now.
Sir, what is wrong with you? Let's get back to do our
Get back to which work? Sir, I'm sorry, with all due respect, I don't think I can continue doing this work.
Are you aware that I will not pay you?
Sir, even if you don't pay me, I don't mind, no problem.
Get back to work, my friend. What are you
Sir, I
doing?
cannot work again. Sir, I cannot work again.
Excel, calm down now.
Oga, don't tell me to calm down.
Are you shouting at me?
Sorry, sir, I'm not shouting at you. The only thing you can do now is to... Oga, leave me.
It's our boss you're talking to like this.
Oga,
so calm down now.
He's our boss. This is hard currency. This money, I told you that let's keep this money. You said no. I told you that this money might come from all these white people. Maybe River carry the money and put inside sand.
So what has that got to do with us getting back to work? Let's get back to work.
Oga, since you want to get back to work, I know you like poverty. Go back to work. Oga, boss, I cannot work again. Now I have money. This is hardcore. If I finish this, I will use this money and help myself. How much are you even paying me? You're paying 1,500 for a daily pay, and you say I should come. Sir, I've been under this source this morning. Please, sir, with all due respect, I want to make my own choice now, decision. I am done. If you want to work, you work. You want me to employ you, you come. They think I'm doing this job with happiness. I'm doing this thing because I'm just managing. Is that the kind of heart you have? Okay, you are very wicked though. You're not a good person though. You're not a good person. I'm telling you the truth. All these people that claim they have money, this is how it is. God has blessed me. Have you seen it? God has blessed me today. Yes.
Excel, calm down.
Okay, don't tell me to.
This is the man that has
listen to me. See, if you talk to me again, I'll give you backhand. If you talk, I'll give you backhand.
Me?
Yes.
I'm your guy.
Hi, which guy? When I was telling you let's keep this money, you insisted. You said no. You see the same you that went and report to this man that is standing here because you think you're a good Samaritan. See, from this morning, I'm not supposed to give you anything. I'm not even supposed to give you anything. I'm telling the truth. Since you want to be a foolish person, it's better I allow you to be that foolish person. Why even my friend? Oga, take. See, this is the only one I'll give you. Just manage this. Oga, please. Oga engineer, please don't call my line again. And you don't even think of employing me or asking me to come and work in this kind of site, parking block and parking stand. Okay, if you want to do this, you go and borrow a truck and all these artisans. When they come and do this work.
If you are leaving, at least give me a fair share of my money.
Okay, I will collect this one. If you don't want, I will collect it from you. Just imagine. Can't I help myself and be somebody in life?
Hold it right there.
Okay, I'm not holding it.
That money is fake money.
Eh?
Yes.
Huh?
Of course, yes. Fake. Excel. Fake all of it.
Hey, Excel, look. Fake money, not illegal tender, is on this one too. It's here.
Jesus. Hi.
Look, it's on all of them.
Yes, I can see it. I have messed up.
Fake money, not illegal tender.
I'm telling you. I
How come?
don't know. I messed up. Hold this thing.
Why am I holding it?
Hold it. It's a fake money. Hold it.
But you are the one that said it's your money. Hold it now. Why am I holding it? You can take the money and go. What are you doing?
Let me talk to our boss. Sir.
Man. Who is the sir? Me, sir?
Sir, the money is fake money.
Oh, now you know. Excel, come this way. Excel.
Sir.
Excel.
Sir.
Excel.
Sir.
How many times did I call you?
Sir, he called me 3 times.
You see, what you just exhibited here is the reason why most rich men has refused to show poor people like you the way. Because some of you, the moment you see light, you try to close the door that gave you a breath of life. Just this little money that you just saw now, your attitude changed. And upon that, you even became greedy on your own co-worker. You could not even give him a fair share. You want to take everything, Excel.
So it's actually
Speaking to me as if you have arrived just because of this little money that you thought it was real. Excel, have you seen yourself? This was just a test of character and competence.
A test?
Of course, yes. You know the other manager that worked with us? You know he's no longer working with me. And I am looking out for who to put up in that position.
Oh,
Do you know I was thinking that it could be you? Excel. Because you are the one that I have seen that has a very good qualification. And I felt pity seeing you do this kind of menial job.
So that was why I was reacting.
Keep quiet, Excel. You do not have anything to say. Excel, you are a total disgrace. Mr. Bassey.
sir.
I saw how Excel was trying to convince you to keep the money. I could see how you were shaking in your decision. Let me tell you something. Never you allow peer pressure to affect you. Stand in what you believe in, and it will take you far. Okay? Do you know what? You have been given the position of the manager in my company. Of course, yes.
Me?
I'm giving you a car,
What?
a house, and I am going to send 5 million wardrobe allowance to you. You shall do no such jobs again.
Me,
Starting from
manager?
today, of course, yes. So I want you to go there, pack all of those things that you've been using before, throw them away, because you are starting a new life. There is a house waiting for you in my estate. Alright?
Bro, did you hear that?
Help me, I'm begging.
Listen.
I'm the manager.
Yes, you are the
Sir,
manager.
thank
It's okay,
you.
it's okay.
Thank you. Sir, I have no qualification for this job.
Don't worry.
Help me, I'm begging.
I am already aware of this. I have actually brought someone that will actually help you through this job. Yes. You have an assistant manager who will teach you all you need to know about this job. Alright? Listen, you want to come with me. Let's take a walk.
Sir, please.
Excel, before I open my eyes and close it back,
I told you.
listen, Excel,
Assistant manager.
get
so I cannot
away
assist.
from this place this minute and this time.
Sir, please, can you pardon him? Yes, sir.
Will you get away?
What?
Sir,
Sir,
Hey, you don't need people like that. No, listen. A rich man who wholeheartedly wants to help a poor man should also consider that he may be raising an enemy for himself. All right? But that doesn't mean you will not help the poor. Anyone that has good heart, you should help that one, okay? Let's take a walk. Congratulations once again, Mr. Bassey.
Thank you, sir.
It's all right.
Thank you. Yes! Yes!
What you don't know is bigger than you.
All right, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you for always watching my videos. If you're enjoying my content, please remember to always leave a like, leave a comment, and share the videos with other people. If you're not already subscribed to my channel or following my page, please do so to support the channel. And I'll see you guys on the next video. I love you all. Bye-bye.